Good morning, 7th graders, and happy snow day. I don't know about you, but I sure wasn't expecting this, so I hope you enjoy your day off. Today for your digital day for Math 7, I need you to do IXL X3 to 80. Okay, it's going to be on translations, and I'll go over an example here in a second. But those of you that did not finish last week's IXL, so that would be in first hour Dan, Annie, and Alex, and second hour Shane, Kieran, Dalton, Nick, and Emma. You all have 3 of them to finish today, which is too bad. But you 8 need to finish M1 and M2 to 80 and X3 to 80. The rest of you that already finished last week's just need to do X3. Let me show you here what X3 is about, but it shouldn't be any problem for you today. So X3 is just translating, but it'll just have you translate a point, and it'll tell you right in the directions what you need to translate. So this one just says graph it 2 units up. So from the point, I would just go up 2 units, click my dot, and press submit. They're all up until 80, just going to be 1 point. This one says 1 down, so I click and submit. Sometimes it'll ask you to do more than one thing. Once you get a little farther here, so this one's 2 units up, so I count up 1, 2, submit. Let me try to get to one here that's multi-step. Oh, well, these are all 1 step so far, but they'll turn into multi-step here soon. Here we go. So this one says graph this point 1 unit to the left and 3 down. So this one will have me do over left, down 3. So sometimes it'll just have you do 1 thing, sometimes 2, but you need to get your score to 80. I'll just be a 1 point. It should be no problem for you to get there. But if you do have questions, please message me on Schoology or Remind, and I would love to help you out. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Make sure you do all your digital day stuff for all of your classes, and I will see you tomorrow.